Welcome to a new exciting chapter of our journey into the world of agricultural machinery. Today, we'll dive into the marvelous universe of heavy machines and agricultural equipment, exploring their incredible features and functionalities that captivate agricultural machinery enthusiasts worldwide. Get ready to be amazed by the towering dimensions and extraordinary power of these technological wonders that stand as pillars of innovation in the agricultural world. Let's begin with the Shovel 996, a true giant of the mining industry, which stands majestically amidst the coal minescape. This titanic excavator not only defies gravity with its imposing bulk, but also with its incredible strength, capable of dislodging tons of coal in the blink of an eye. Equipped with an intelligent control system, the Shovel 996 makes extraction a breeze, optimizing the efficiency and ease of mining operations. And what about the mighty Belaz 75710? A true transport behemoth in the mining realm. This colossal machine is capable of hauling rock materials with a staggering capacity of 450 tons. Imagine the grandeur of this machine as it traverses the terrain, an engineering marvel that carries forward the challenge of moving massive loads with grace and power. Its 4,600 horsepower diesel engine is like the throbbing heart of this machine, providing the necessary power to overcome any challenge. Now, let's shift gears into the vast realm of excavators and bulldozers with the incredible Hitachi Zaxxas 350 LCH. This gargantuan excavator is powered by a mighty diesel engine that delivers exceptional performance, allowing it to tackle even the most demanding tasks quickly. Its powerful arm and rugged features make it an indispensable ally on construction sites and earth-moving operations. Speaking of bulldozers, the Komatsu D475 stands tall as a majestic figure on the agricultural equipment landscape. This generously sized powerhouse, with its high-performance diesel engine, moves with authority through the terrain, shaping it according to the farmer's will. Its power and agility combine to create a perfect ballet of earth-moving motions, ensuring that every step is calibrated with millimetric precision. And what about the giant crane designed for ports and harbors? Its imposing structure not only stands majestically on the landscape, but it is also an essential ally in riverbed dredging and the transportation of light cargo. With its arm reaching up to 33 meters, it can delve into marine depths with unparalleled grace and power, showcasing a spectacular feat of engineering in action. And now, be enchanted by the strength and performance of the Caterpillar D11 Next Gen. This cutting-edge bulldozer represents the perfect fusion of technology and power, making it the ideal ally on every agricultural construction site. With an intelligent control system and extraordinary power, the D11 Next Gen raises the bar for efficiency and performance, proving that innovation knows no bounds. In a world where agricultural challenges demand increasingly powerful and reliable machines, heavy machinery and agricultural equipment emerge as true champions of innovation. From excavators to bulldozers, from cranes to loaders, these technological wonders are poised to shape the future of modern agriculture, lifting loads, clearing paths, and opening new horizons of possibility. Stay tuned for extraordinary adventures await in this captivating world of agricultural machinery.